Sharing platform YouTube. This can include creating and uploading videos, running advertising campaigns, and building a following on the platform through engagement and community building. The goal of YouTube marketing is to increase visibility, drive traffic, and generate leads or sales. There are many different ways to use YouTube for marketing, depending on your goals and target audience. Some common strategies include creating engaging, informative videos that educate viewers about your products or services. Building a YouTube marketing refers to the process of promoting a product, service, or brand on the video channel and regularly uploading content that is relevant to your target audience. Running YouTube advertising campaigns to increase visibility and drive traffic to your website. Partnering with influencers or other popular YouTube creators to promote your brand. Creating and sharing customer testimonials, product demonstrations, and behind-the-scenes content to give viewers a better understanding of your brand. Utilizing YouTube analytics to track and measure the performance of your video content and campaigns. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search to help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results. Creating a YouTube community through comments, discussion, and collaborations with other content creators. These are some ideas, and you can select the one that is best suited for your business and audience. YouTube has a set of guidelines and policies in place for marketers to follow in order to maintain the integrity of the platform and ensure that viewers are not misled or deceived by ads or videos. Some key policies include misrepresentation. YouTube prohibits content that is misleading or deceitful, including false or misleading information in video titles, descriptions, or tags, or misleading thumbnail images. Advertisement sponsorship. YouTube requires that all sponsored content, product placements, or other forms of advertising be clearly disclosed in the video or in the video's title or description. Copyright. YouTube's copyright policy prohibits the unauthorized use of copyrighted material in videos, including music, images, or text. Hate speech. YouTube prohibits content that incites violence, hate, or discrimination against any group or individual. Child safety. YouTube prohibits content that targets children with adult themes or that is harmful to children. Privacy. YouTube's privacy policy prohibits the collection, use, or sharing of personal information from viewers without their consent. Nudity and sexual content. YouTube prohibits sexually explicit or graphic content and hate speech. It's important to review and follow these policies to ensure your videos and campaigns are compliant and to avoid having your videos or channels removed.